Yeah, this problem is much like a linear equation, but it's also a word problem. The problem with word problems, sometimes we don't know how to translate from word to put something on the board in numbers that exactly say whatever they say in the book. So let me show you how we can do that. The best way to do that in this problem. Let's see. We have Andrea, which is a manager, managed a company that currently has 116 customers, which is 8 more than twice the number of customers the company had last year. How many customers did the company have 1 year ago? 1 year ago. All right. So let's think about last year, 0, and then this year, 1. So last year, let's say we had X customers last year. We don't know how many we had. That's what we're looking for. And then this year, we got 160 customers, right? So now what they're asking us for is how many we had last year based on the information that they give us. They say the 116 customers we have this year is 8 more than twice as many we had last year. What do we call what we had last year? X. That's it. That's all we have to do. So we move x to the other side. 116 minus 8x, 2x. Let me find my calculator. 116 minus 8. 116 minus 8 is 108. That implies 2x is equal to 108. That implies x is equal to 108 divided by 2, which is 54. The key to this problem is really know how to translate from what they give you in the book to what we have here now. And if you enjoyed this video, share it on your page, and you'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT exams. Thank you. Bye.